Hello, I'm writing the next question. This is for class 7 students, chapter 11 exercise and number 4 question. Number 4 question has given, why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal? Here, answer. The question is asking why transport is necessary for plant. Okay, through the transport, the right answer is plant gets different necessary materials which is needed for its metabolic activities, and after metabolic activities are accomplished, waste materials are also formed, and for removal of such waste material, transport of these materials or transportation in plants are also required. Okay, this is the main reason for transportation. Here, transportation in plant does two functions. One is carry out the necessary metabolites, and second, removal of the waste materials. Okay, removal of the waste materials. For survival of plants, it needs different metabolites. So these nutrients are carried by transport. Okay, to different parts. Here, when the metabolic activities has completed, many waste materials are formed. Okay, many waste materials are formed. They are needed to be removed. Okay, so it has also done by transportation process. Okay, hence here transport of materials are need in a plant or animal along with the animal. Okay, the same thing happens in animal. Hence transportation is needed. Transportation of materials are required for both plants and animals. This is the correct answer for this and explanation of this question. Okay, I'm showing you the explanation again. These are all the answer here. I hope it is clear. Thank you for watching. Bye.